Welcome back. Today I will solve exercise 1.2 in relation and function. Question number first. So that the function f from r to r defined by fx is equal to 1 by x is 1 1 and on 2, where r is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Is the result true if the domain R is replaced by n, with codomain being the same as R? Now first, so given function 1 1 and onto, the function given, since given function f from R to R, real to real, domain is real and also codomain is real. Given function fx is equal to 1 by x. Since f x1 in place of x1 is equal to in place of 1 upon x1, and also f x2 is equal to 1 by x2. For 1 1 f x1 is equal to f x2. Therefore now f x1 is equal to 1 by x1. Put here 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by f2, 1 by x2, or x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1 function. F is 1 1 function. And again for onto function, since f x is equal to 1 by x. Now let f x is equal to y. So y is equal to 1 by x or x is equal to 1 by y. Therefore, since every element, every real number, every real number numbers belong to codomain may have pre-image in domain. Therefore f is onto function. F is onto function. and again for onto function since f x is equal to 1 by x. Now let f x is equal to y. So y is equal to 1 by x or x is equal to 1 by y. Therefore since every element, every real number, every real numbers belong to codomain may have pre-image in domain. Therefore f is onto function. And also if the domain R is replaced by natural number n with codomain being the same as R. Therefore f from n to R. Now f n is equal to 1 by n, or since f n 1 is equal to 1 by n1, and also f n2 is equal to 1 by n2. Now for 1 f n1 is equal to f n2. Therefore 1 upon n1 is equal to 1 upon n2, imply that n1 is equal to n2. Therefore f function is 1 1. Function is 1 1. For onto, but every real numbers belongs to codomain may not have pre-image in domain or that is 7 upon 5 belong to domain, but 1 upon 7 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 7 does not belong to domain. Therefore f is not onto function. That's all.